It's cooking time with C. Today we're doing lox and smear on a spinach wrap. I didn't feel like cooking. It's hot outside. It's summer. I wanted something cool. So let's get the smear. I like saying that, smear put together, which is cream cheese, mayonnaise, dill, capers, and my trio plus one. Really quick, I ended up making two of them, one for travel or one for later, and one I ate, which was delicious. And I forgot to put the dill in there, so that's why you see that on the side. But let's get going. And here's my sun-dried tomato basil wraps. Those are good. I buy them all the time. It's low carb, and I was trying out to eat everything. Salmon, smoked salmon. Like everything bagel, it's an everything smoked salmon, and I had some baby spinach and spring mix. So I said, let's do something a little different. It was hot, and I just didn't feel like cooking, so a nice summer wrap is good. Fam, start every day with a grateful heart. So I'm smearing and smearing. And I might have over smeared on this one, but it still was good. I think it was more smear. I'm saying that, sorry. It was more smear than the smoked salmon, but you choose how much smear you want to put on yours. But I'm going to let you finish seeing this because it's a very short video, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm putting the spinach and the spring mix on there after all that smearing. But do what you love. You inspire and awaken the hearts of others. Family, I'm hoping I'm inspiring you as I make my lox and smear. I just love saying that word, smear, which probably should be smear and lox because I have so much in there. But this is what I do sometimes when I'm like on RV and I'm traveling. I will make an extra one and put it in the refrigerator. That way, once I'm finished, driving those 6 hours to wherever spot we're going, I don't have to cook and I have a sandwich. But I'm going to show you the one that I had that night because it was delicious. But I do like the smoked salmon. And I kind of like that better than actually cooking salmon. So smoked salmon is my choice, especially during the summer months because it's so hot. But I'm just showing you what I made. 2 wraps. One I saved off for later. But fam, yum yum, give me some. Peace, love, and happiness. See you in the next one. Peace.